In today's video, I'll be showing you how to curve text on Canva. So start by opening a blank project, and then on the sidebar, select text. Choose what type of text you wish to add, and then type in whatever it is you want curved. Then from here, highlight your text, then select the option Effects at the top. Then underneath the section labeled Shape, you should see the option Curve. Tap on it, and then you should see a slider underneath. Use this slider to choose how curved you want your text to be, and you can choose to have it positive or negative. It's all up to you. So once you've selected how curved you want it, you can now just let go of the screen. Now you can move your text around. You'll notice that when you go to edit your text, say for example, you want to change the color, then your words will go back to the way they were without the curve. And then you can customize it however it is you'd like. Then when you finish your editing and you tap on an empty space on your screen, the curve will return back to the way it was. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.